Good news for your money if you're trying to sell a house in Grand Rapids. The market had the biggest gain in home prices last quarter in the nation.
Take a look at the numbers. According to the National Association of Realtors, prices in Grand Rapids jumped nearly 24% from the same quarter last year. That is the best performance in the country, and even more remarkable when home prices nationwide fell nearly 5%. The question tonight, is it a fluke? 24-hour News 8's Anne Schieber went looking for some answers.
Finally, a break for sellers.
I have seen lately where there's been more than one offer on a home versus maybe just an offer here and there.
Not that it's a seller's market in Grand Rapids yet.
Well, I think that everybody, wants to get a deal.
Sarah Elliot was in the market to buy a home.
The house I made an offer on, and this house, they didn't come down much from where they were. They were pretty solid.
But she did buy a house. The seller agreed to 6% less than the asking price.
Did you feel like you're still getting a deal?
Yeah, I did. Not as good a deal as I wanted, but still a deal.
It's hard to point to one reason for the surge in Grand Rapids housing prices. Realtor Marilyn Hazard credits local supply and demand.
That we have fewer people who are putting their home on the market at this time, that they really don't want to take a loss in maybe their equity.
Or it could be record low mortgage rates, which drive prices up. Or there could be more first-time home buyers tired of paying high rents. But if you're selling, there is a limit on how much you can ask.
We have to have a figure in mind that is going to be acceptable to the bank and their, the appraisers.
Lenders are still tight with credit, and there's also concern about shadow foreclosures, distressed homes that still haven't reached the market. Those factors could nip any price momentum in the bud. It will take more than one quarter to know. Anne Schieber, 24-hour News 8.